Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I want to discuss about a very important topic regarding how to analyze the market in the right way, because most of crypto traders are doing this mistake. So don't forget to click subscribe and the like button and join our community. In the description you'll find the link with our socials, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and so on. So let's begin. So what's the main mistake that crypto traders are doing? They are analyzing the altcoins alone without watching the Bitcoin situation. And very important, way more important, is to see what is doing S&P 500 mainly, because Bitcoin is depending a lot of legacy markets. Okay, so when you analyze the altcoins, you must start from the legacy markets, okay, S&P 500 mainly. You watch the trend, okay, you do your analyze. So then you watch Bitcoin, and only then you watch your altcoins, okay. Attention, we have two pairs, okay, versus Bitcoin and versus USD. So when you go, let's say you're a futures trader, okay, you go in longs and short, so you trade against the dollar, but first of all you must watch against the Bitcoin pair, because there if you find, let's say, a support, okay, against Bitcoin, and then you watch your chart against the dollar, and you find also support, then it's good. You have a double confirmation and you have a bigger chance of winning doing this type of analyze, okay. So very important, guys, don't forget, this is a very important rule based on multiple years experience. When you trade altcoins, you don't must watch only the single altcoin, okay. You must start from the S&P 500, okay. Then you watch Bitcoin, and then you watch the altcoin against Bitcoin pair, and then the last one, the altcoin against USD. So you can decide based on that, okay. We have multiple confirmations, we go up, we go down, and we can complete our analysis, so to have a bias, let's say, for long or short, okay. So very important this. Another important thing is when you go in a long position or in a short position, to use a right risk management. Today we don't have time to talk about that. We'll do a special episode regarding risk management. But when doing futures, okay, leverage, when you're doing leverage, it's very important to use the right risk management, and we'll do an entire episode regarding that, because this is the key for being consistent and for being profitable for the long run. Okay, good. Today I want to discuss with you as well some of my strategies, let's say, my way to analyze the market, what to see, what to watch when you have a chart, and to think like a market maker, okay, what they are searching for, and why the price is going up, why the price is going down. Everything has an explanation. So that's why I want to discuss today with you, first of all, how to analyze the altcoin, okay, because I said you already what to do, and then the logic behind the every move in price, okay. Good. So right now, to start, let's watch this chart. For example, we have Bitcoin. This is a choppy market. Why I'm saying that is not trending, okay, it's only bracketing, okay. Who is doing high leverage here will lose, that's sure, will lose them his money, because market is doing what is doing usually in a choppy market is taking liquidity on both sides. And what does it mean? Liquidity means For example, we have on the left here, on the left, we have this high and we have this low, okay, and we have this weak as well. But let's say this low and this high. Price is in a range, okay, until it'll decide where to go, what will be the next trend. We'll see a lot of choppy moves. And why I have these two arrows right here? Because we have this high, okay, you have this chart, price is going down, okay, it's bouncing, it's finding resistance here and the support here, and then price is doing this choppy moves. Price went here, okay, but I still expect to go above 32.7 approximately, okay, and doing like that should be a short opportunity, because I don't expect to break it and continue up above. So I expect a move like here, okay, fake out above, going down again and back into the range, or here the same thing, breaking below, a fake out, going above again and back into the range. So this yellow line is my mid-range, okay, this is a range high, this is a range low, so I expect a fake out here and back into the range, or fake out here, back into the range. So this will be a long opportunity or a short opportunity. If you want to trade, let's say a low time frame chart, okay, few hours, 1 hour, 4 hours chart, okay. Another important thing, why I'm looking that, and this part of my strategy when doing range trading, let's say, is because market makers are searching for liquidity. And why I'm telling you this thing? Because liquidity means if we have a resistance here, many breakout traders are waiting to break for the breakout, and then they are FOMO right here, going into longs. Okay, we broke this resistance, we have I don't know, a few minutes breakout, let's go into the long because we're going to the moon. And here is a trap, it's a big trap, price is going down back below, and they bought the perfect top. The same thing, liquidity means who shorted here, their stop loss is right above this resistance. So this will be a stop loss hunt and then back below. So we'll trigger, we'll close their shorts, and price will go down without them. So taking liquidity, okay, smart money concepts, SMC, meaning big guys are taking liquidity from the retails. The same thing is below. If we have a stop loss right below this local support, a stop loss hunt below, reclaim it and back above, the same thing. And also a trap for the breakdown traders who is waiting to break this or this, as the same thing, who is waiting for the breakdown, waiting and then shorting, and they are shorting the perfect bottom. So is the same thing above and below, is a trap, is a smart money concept, and is how market makers are thinking. So hope you're enjoying what I'm telling you, because it's not like a secret, but is I consider it a secret because only, I don't know, few 5%, let's say, of traders are thinking like that. Because with my experience, 6-7 years in trading and crypto trading, I saw a lot of trades, I did a lot of mistakes, I learned a lot of lessons, and if you think like that, you'll be successful, okay. Otherwise, if you think like most retail traders, you'll find always a lot of traps like that. And if you're a breakout trader, you'll lose a lot of money. So that's my main thing, to watch for false breakouts, which is fake out here or fake out here in this case. Reclaim back the support or back below resistance, and is a short opportunity or long opportunity. How to do that, we'll do in the future videos. A lot of lessons about price action trading, because I'm a price action trader. meaning I'm not using any indicator, because I think indicators are lagging mainly, most of them. So indicators are doing what price is doing. So I prefer to watch price, what price is doing, and based on the concept I shared to you, and many other concepts and some professional institutional tools that I'll share in the future with our community, then I can identify and to have a plan for both ways. Very important, guys. You don't must have a bias like I think we'll go up, I think we'll go down. It's not a casino right here. You must only react on what market is doing. Okay, if you have a confirmation above, you go into long, confirmation below, you go into short, and that's it. You must wait the price to come to you. Okay, you must be patient, because it's very important to understand what I like a lot what Warren Buffett is saying. Watch here. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient, and that's very, very true. Because if you want to go here in a choppy market in the mid range, is only guessing. Let's hope we go up and let's hope we go down. Otherwise, if I have a plan, I wait price coming to me, I set the alert, and when price will come here, if price will do what I expect, is my confirmation to go long or short. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say today. A big error what a lot of crypto traders are doing, are watching altcoins without watching Bitcoin, and also very important to watch mainly what the stock market is doing, because Bitcoin is correlated, and all is starting from there. And before watching another example, I think we watched today Elrond. Some guys from our community asked me to analyze Elrond. I want to talk about the events that are coming. Friday, 10th of June, CPI. This I think will be important to see how how will be the rates, and how market will react. And this month I think we have Federal Reserve statement right here, funds rate, very important, and the last one maybe third core PCA price index, but mainly I think on this is very important, 5th of June, and also Friday the CPI. And based on that, I think market will have some will take some volatility. Maybe it will be at least a fake out where to the lows or to the highs, and then if it will be back into the range to be a longer range price action right here. We'll update together. Let's watch the chart you asked me, guys. So I think this one. First of all, we start from the bigger time frame, let's say weekly in this case. It's clear we have some important levels. We watch this high, this low, okay. So we have this high, this low, and this mid-range, which will be a range. Who doesn't know what means range high, range low? Means range high, range low, and mid-range means we have a range right here. This is extension, and this is the mid-range, which means is 0.5, 50% of from the highs and from the lows. So based on that, if you can draw Fibonacci, Fib from the low to the high, or from the high to the low, and you identify it. So these are the high time frames levels, which are more important. Then we watch the highs, local lows on lower time frames. Okay, we have here the tops and the bottoms, local bottoms. Okay, then we have this channel, which is let's zoom in daily. We have a downtrend channel, or descending channel. Then we zoom in, watch 4 hours, like that. We watch the levels on lower time frames, okay, and a plan if will happen this breakout above this, and I explain why. Because if you see these green levels from 88, 90, 88, 89 is a will be a double breakout if will happen, and I expect to test at least 103 plus, if not more, because this will be a breakout from this the downtrend trend line, and also from this SR level, super resistance level. Okay, so if it will be a double breakout, the trend line and this horizontal resistance, so it will be a double breakout. My plan, if we'll break here, will be as a first confirmation to see some uptrend, at least from for short term. For short term, and this is the range low on high time frame, so 65.75. maybe look as accumulation from these levels. If we'll break down, will be the same thing correlated with Bitcoin. Breaking here and going lower will be the same thing with Bitcoin breaking the high time frame support, which is 28.6, 28.7, 30k. This zone which held a lot here, and again here. If this is very important, breaking down here will be very bad, at least until we reclaim it as support. Okay, otherwise reclaiming 32 first of all will be a good beginning. 32 and 32.6, I think, right here will be a good start for talking about the reversal scenario. Okay, so as I told you, we watch the high time frame levels, we identify range low, range high, and mid range from the higher time frame support and resistances, and then we identify some patterns on lower time frame. Zoom in, let's say daily, we see this channel and some correlation, like this is a high time frame support and the breakout here. So my first double confirmation for a potential breakout will be flipping above 88, 89. Here you can set an alert or accumulate to the lows. Invalidation, losing 65, 72, 73, this zone, which is a high time frame support. Good. And also I told you, first of all, we should watch the Bitcoin pair, okay, because here we see the strength against Bitcoin. So tonight weekly will close, so closing like that, for sure we see some more downside from it. A support, high time frame support is 0022, 002, this zone, and if we'll break down, which will be bad, then it's 0040, 0030, but will be healthy for the market and for the this coin to see more downside, but bounce from here. Okay, and this will be healthy for this altcoin. But as you know, already know, Bitcoin is very correlated with the altcoins. So no, the altcoins are very correlated with the Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin will bounce from the 30k support and will start a reversal, altcoins will do the same. Okay, so that's why lately I started to focus also a lot on options, on forex, on stocks, because when Bitcoin is doing this choppy price action is waiting for legacy markets to move and to decide the next trend. And we don't have a bias here. We don't have some we don't have a decision, okay, to go a new trend above or below. Then it's better to focus on stock markets, on forex as well. I want to share some results we had in the last days in our Discord. Okay, so right here we had in May with the waves 608% in 24 hours, I think. Shared obviously I shared the chart before with Kybernet. We have with Kyber network we had 400% in 24 hours. With Sand 200%, big profit 2300% in I think 30 hours. With waves again, I expected as I've said, waves. Let's watch here. So I've expected like almost 2 months of downtrend, and in 24 hours did this big very big profit shared with in our Discord. And if you're asking me, yeah, I like this kind of waiting, and then boom, 2300% in 24 hours. It's amazing because you must be patient, you must have a plan and respect it. And as I've said, guys, it's very important to be patient, especially in this kind of markets, choppy markets, because you can lose a lot of money. So this long is not casual. We had some triggers, some confirmations, and we had a plan, okay, if you remember, and I shared with our Discord, obviously. Then with the graph, we did the 324% in few hours as well. And now this is the open position for 400+%. Right now I think is 835. Okay, I said you we have members who let's watch together. We entered the short here, for example, member 2 days ago I filled at $10 flat. Let's go, because I said the level I'm watching is 10.40, if you remember. Let me see it. This is the Bitcoin pair, the graph, which we did along with the graph. Okay, from here to here, 300+%. And the short on waves. So the guy told me he entered at $10, and the chart I think is this. Okay, from the 1040 I thought, and price retested it and then back below 960, and I feel $10 good, and he told me I'll let the price come to me just like you thought. Okay, I put $1 in profit, and congrats, big profit. Okay, this was the plan on Bitcoin pair. That's what we're doing in our Discord. We have two in Discord. We have private community and public community. Same, on Telegram we have the public community only, and the private group is only on Discord. But also we have the public one. but I'm focusing in this choppy market to do some scalp trades. In the public groups, I focus on sharing swing trades, more swing trades, like taking more days, but sure moves, because I don't you don't have as a member, you don't have time to manage entry, the exit for scalp trades from few hours. Okay, so that's why I prefer for the public community to share more swing trades, focused on few days or 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, waiting for the target, which is easily to manage, okay, and good profit as well, but need more patience, and but it's lower risk. Okay, and in this here in private Discord we have more activity. Okay, every day you see here 3 June, 4th June, 5th June, and so on. What I expect to see moves, and right now the open position is 300%, shorting 962, and right now price is 836. Okay, I shared, if you see here, this morning I shared from 858, price waiting to go 8.1, 8.3. okay, I said, and look what happened. Price came to 8.17 and now it's bouncing. Okay, so for me this is what I expected, so this was a good short. Price reaching this level, important to flip $9 to consider a local bounce and more upside potential. Otherwise the support is 690, 7090, $8. Okay, my first target was here. If you see the old chart shared before in Discord, the target was 794, and if you watch the target, okay, I said this rectangle, but this is the line, you see the target, maybe with some deviation I consider it, and price went 793, amazing, and 794 was my target, first one. Okay, so I'll do a study case on waves because we nailed the previous, if you remember, we catch the low here. Okay, we did some crazy moves, profit, and we catch the short from 56, 57 I think, and also called 61, 62, and this was the perfect short opportunity, and that's why we did before. But we'll do this in another video, the study case. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today, how to think like a market maker regarding liquidity, and why price I expect to come here or here, and what's my plan based on liquidity and on these moves, how market moves are moving, and the logic behind every move, to have a plan, to be patient and to wait. Also we talked about the correlation from the stock market with Bitcoin, very important, because let's say Bitcoin failed the reason to be here today, Bitcoin is to not be correlated with the stock market and the legacy markets, but to have his own market. But big money, okay, market makers are moving and are moving Bitcoin very correlated with S&P 500. So that's why to look altcoins alone, why to look Bitcoin alone when Bitcoin is copying every move on stock market. If you watch the moves on 5 minutes, 3 minutes, is very correlated. So that's why especially in the raging market you lose a lot of money if you watch only altcoin, the altcoin USDT pair chart, and that's it. No, it will be like a gambling. Okay, so this is very important. Is a good is a big mistake doing from crypto traders. And most of crypto gurus on the internet, on the YouTube, they are selling courses, and that's they have 1 year experience, are talking a lot of this kind of shit. I have 6-7 years in this this crypto in this jungle world, okay, because I explain in the next videos the story of our community born in 2018 and how we started, the results, the testimonials, a lot of things. We have a lot to talk together. This journey is only at the beginning from in YouTube, because I wanted to start since last year, 2020, I think. But we have also a private life, we have family, we have kids, and most of you understand that the time is very difficult to manage. But what I want to share with you is that transparency, to be fair as a person, is my main reason that I'm here, because I want to be transparent, to be fair, and to share real setups and to share real results. And you'll see, if you're not a member, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to join our socials, okay, on Telegram, Discord, follow on Instagram, follow on Twitter, and there you'll find my updates, my charts. You can ask for help and whatever you'll need. And that's why I'm here to share quality. It's very important, because if I'm doing like most of crypto gurus on YouTube, they're starting to sell something, they're doing only marketing, but they know they are newbies in trading, okay, especially in trading. Okay, talking about news, blah blah, it's easy, but talking when I'm seeing them talking about some EMA, trend lines, and these basic things, and they think they are big traders, and the problem is they are influencing a lot of people, okay, like most of you, and most of people are losing money because they are creating FOMO. Buy here, this is going to the moon, and that's the jungle, that's the trick in this crypto world. And I saw this since 2015, 2016. I saw all this, and that's the reason I started now this YouTube channel. And I hope to have time to do a lot of videos and to start together this journey on the YouTube as well, and to enjoy a lot of good results, trades. We need only volatility on the bot ways. On the bot ways is not a problem. We make money when price is going down. We make money when price is going up. That's why you don't need to marry altcoin. Okay, if you're an investor, okay, you believe in their fundamental, you could do dollar cost average, DCA, okay, buy on every dip, and then you expect you wait for the price going up, okay. But when you're a trader, you don't need to marry any coin, okay. You are here to make money, no emotional evolving, only playing the chart, okay, based on these things. I have a lot of other tools. As I said, I don't use indicators, but tools like I share in the next videos some tools, institutional tools I'm using, based on information which you don't find on freely on YouTube. I paid like 30k in 2 years studying how institutional markets are doing, what's the reason, and because if you consider 95% of persons or traders, retail traders are losing money, but they have the same information, EMA, trend line, and that's it. Some tools, indicators, blah blah blah. You must eliminate the noise, okay, eliminate the noise, all these things, or indicators, and focus on price action, focus on some let's say patterns, but not totally patterns, your pattern, okay, that is working, and wait price to come to you, okay. You have a plan on the both ways, an invalidation, a confirmation, price is coming to you, and you'll find, you'll understand in my next videos. You'll understand how I'm thinking, how I'm watching the chart, and hopefully you'll learn as well to do it successfully. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. I'm at the beginning with YouTube, but for sure my next videos will be better. If I have something to improve, I know I have a lot of things. You can share in comments, okay, where to improve regarding how to do. If you prefer something in my episodes, we'll do together. It's not a problem. So thank you for being here, okay. I hope you enjoyed. This is about quality, not quantity. Remember our trades as well, our charts in our Telegram as well. I'll share, I'll push a lot only when I feel the momentum. I'm also a good momentum trader. And if you're an older member, for sure you know how we are doing. We are veterans in this world, crypto world, crypto trading world, even if the YouTube channel is only at the beginning, okay? But the reason what we started this is to help new guys as well. Welcome to our community and see you on the next video.